second.
Environment Canada has issued a snowfall warning for Ottawa and forecasts between 10 to 20 centimeters of snow with a possibility of freezing rain and ice pellets on Sunday. And Ontario Provincial Police say they've responded to more than 120 collisions in eastern Ontario. The snowfall began Sunday morning and is expected to continue through the night, with the heaviest snowfall coming in the late afternoon.
What'd I tell you? It's been snowing for like maybe an hour. And suddenly, nobody knows how to drive anymore. Good grief.
The worst part about living in Ontario is as soon as we get snow, everybody forgets how to drive in the snow like it doesn't happen every year. Even worse is on top of that, there's always a bunch of you that's like, well, I don't need winter tires. I don't need winter tires. Yeah? Well, tell me why I'm stuck in a meeting of the summer tire.
Environment Canada says Ottawa, particularly in the areas south and east of the city, may also experience freezing rain and ice pellets in the evening. Environment Canada warns that travel may be challenging and there will likely be reduced visibility. Today's temperature will reach a low of -3 degrees Celsius and a high of -1 degrees Celsius. The wind chill will be near -7 degrees Celsius during the day. As of 5:30 p.m., the Ottawa Airport International has reported 5 centimeters of snow. Last year, the first trace of snow was recorded on November 27th, and on December 1st, 2 centimeters of snow were recorded.
Yo! Yo, what the fuck? Yo!
What are you fucking doing?
Yo, what the fuck are you doing, dude?
I'm fucking doing U-turn. What are you
You
fucking
doing
doing?
a U-turn on the fucking 401? Are you fucking stupid?
What are you fucking doing, man? I'm doing fucking U-turn.
Yo, how did you get this job, you dumb piece
I
of
fucking
shit?
just get it now.
What the fuck you doing, man?
Do you know who I am?
Who are you, man?
I'm Indian, serious.
So?
From Jordan. Ah!
What the fuck?
I'm fucking truck driver, you motherfucker.
Hey, you're a shit driver, buddy. How the fuck did
I
you get
fucking know how to
Who did you
drive.
get your license from? Tim Hortons?
I fucking just buy it now, motherfucker.
Yeah, it looks like it, buddy. Get the fuck out of here, man.
The snow is expected to continue into the week, with calls for flurries Monday through Friday. Monday's high is forecasted at 0 degrees Celsius. Tuesday's temperature is expected to reach a high of 1 degrees Celsius. East Region OPP say they responded to over 120 collisions between noon and 4 p.m. today. Most involved cars and trucks sliding off the road. Others involved multiple vehicles.
You know what they can do though? They can move this truck and we can...
Yeah, hopefully.
This guy's...
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why you do not speed in a goddamn snowstorm. Just a minute.
OPP wrote in a post on social media. According to OPP, there were no fatalities and none of the injuries suffered appeared life-threatening. If you must be on the roads for the rest of the day and overnight, please slow down and drive carefully. Leave extra following distance. No sudden maneuvers or braking, and keep your eyes on the road ahead. OPP wrote.
Down right now out of Lambton County into Middlesex County. You see here a transport truck has jackknifed. Just waiting on a tow truck for that one. Thankfully, no injuries reported there. You know, if you're out here, drive safe. All right. It is winter here in Ontario.
OPP say there have been temporary lane closures on Highway 417 and Highway 401. Drivers in Ottawa say they're bracing for the tough conditions the snowfall will continue to bring. It definitely feels early, With the first week of November and the second week of November, Ottawa driver Jonathan Williams told CTV News Ottawa. I feel like I shouldn't need to be getting winter tires on yet, but hopefully this is just a quick passing thing, and we get some more balmy weather. Then, when December rolls around, it can be more wintry. Williams says he had to do some garage cleanup ahead of the snow to make space for his vehicle, and he'll be getting his winter tires on so that he can take on the snowy roads. Bryden Dennis, area manager with the City of Ottawa Road Services, recommends winter tires and cautious driving to deal with snowy road conditions. It's really taking your time and driving to those conditions that are out there, Dennis said. If you have your snow tires on, that's good. If not, sooner than later, hopefully. It is the first storm, so be cautious as you get used to those conditions in the winter again. While this year's snow arrived sooner in the season than last year, Dennis says it's not out of the ordinary to experience wintry weather at this time of the year. It is right around the start of our season, but it's not uncommon to have winter weather at this time, Dennis said. As always, we're prepared for it.
Okay, so we've been here for I don't know what. I've been listening to a podcast. I didn't even realize people were getting off the bus, but apparently there's a couple of buses down there that are stuck, and they've moved one of them.
About 20 centimeters of snow fell on Montreal, says Environment Canada. Hundreds of thousands of households are without power Tuesday morning across Quebec after a first night of relentless snowfall brought as much as 35 centimeters of snow to certain parts of the province. Hydro-Quebec says the snow added to the weight of wet leaves caused several tree branches to break and come into contact with the electrical grid. The public utility says it has dispatched teams to restore power as soon as possible. Some school boards have announced closures for the day, notably in central Quebec, Montreal, and the South Shore.
Mis hijos pueden salir a la calle solos.
Les cyclistes, dites-moi vous êtes où? Hein, vous êtes où? Regardez, c'est votre piste cyclable là. Sur René Lévesque. Il n'y en a pas une seule. Vous êtes où?
Zero bilibility, zero visibility, zero visibility. Ay, siya.
Several school board and school service centers, including the Sir Wilfrid Laurier School Board, Riverside School Board, and the Centre de Services Scolaires de Laval, have had to shut down specific schools due to power outages. The areas most affected by the power outages are the Lanaudière and Montérégie regions. As of 8 a.m., a total of more than 375,600 Hydro-Quebec clients were without power. The heaviest snowfall rates were reported in the Quebec City area and Côte-Nord.
Ah, yes. The first snow of the season, where everyone finds out that their tires suck and that they don't remember how to drive.
Sure. In Canada, we like to play this cute game called Pick a Lane and fucking hope to God that you're gonna make it, because the fuck are the lines, brother?
In Montreal, about 20 centimeters of snow coated the city's downtown, according to Environment Canada. Maxime Desarnais, a meteorologist with the weather agency, said the amount of snow that fell on southern Quebec came as a bit of a surprise, with more moisture in the air than expected.
Oh my God. It's literally on fire.